Guys, welcome back to my channel. So here I'm back for you. My name is Ramona, for those of you who don't know me already. I'm just going to show you my favorite plants and the plants that I actually have, all my succulents, and they're actually at the moment quite nice, you know, because summer is almost over, so they got loads of energy, they started to grow really well. I'm going to show you a few of my favorite plants, so if you just come closer a little bit, then I show you this one. It's one of my favorite plants. This is also a Kalanchoe. Some of them might mistake them with a pink butterfly, but we covered that in the last video already. The pink butterfly looks a bit different. We're just moving on to the next one, which is really one of my favorites. And I got this one in a botanic garden in Ireland. Moving on to another species of an Echeveria. Look at them, isn't it pretty? It's a Echeveria, right? We have here a Hercules. It's the Echeveria Hercules, and super easy to propagate. So you basically just need one of those petals, you break it, and you just let a new plant establish from this end here. I just show you later how it actually looks like. So moving on down here, see those? That's also the Echeveria, but that's not the Hercules. It's another one. That's the Hercules. And guys, this plant was once just like a petal like this. Can you believe it? Yeah. Okay. We're moving. So this plant, oh, I brought this plant as a baby from Fuerteventura on my holidays. So this plant is native to Fuerteventura and it grows really big. So every year I'm just going to give it a little bit more space in a pot. So I just get a new pot, replant it, and then it can grow bigger. This one, I got it from Spain. It's also native to, well, I would say it's actually in every hot country basically. That's a agave. Oh, and here, what do we see? Look, a little bit of plant propagation. So you see, that's what happens if you just have one of those little petals. And then the plant just comes out. See this one? Establish a few roots there. And then a completely new plant just comes out here. Just be careful, guys. Sometimes you don't break the leaf properly, and then what happens is, you know, it won't grow. Like this one, I think I just broke it too hard. Okay, super nice, yeah. Put it back. We're having a real aloe vera. This plant can be eaten. You can use the inside, the liquidy part, to put on your skin for sunburn or when you have some sort of a rush. It's much better than any pharmaceutical products that I know of. You can even drink it, you know, but make sure you have the real aloe vera, okay? So don't get any aloe vera crap from any store, you know, where you're not actually sure that it is the real deal. Oh, here we have a really, really rare Ohi Raijin. So this is also agave. It doesn't grow really big, but it grows in a little bit of a sort of a bush. You see, there is already a new one coming, and it likes propagating from the bottom. So this will all grow eventually into mature plants. You just need to make sure that gets always a good soak during the summertime. In wintertime, always you know, make sure you don't really water them, because then they just overgrow and they get just, yeah, not really nice. So okay guys, I hope you liked this, okay, and if you did, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!